Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Initiating Washington Street, heading northbound, phase 2, part 2. Washington. Let me show you where.
Hold on, there's too much going. Sorry.
Okay. Let me show you where I am, guys, before we leave. This is Joseph P. Ward, Washington Street. Good God Almighty. Anyways, Washington Street, heading northbound. We start the journey now. You know what, guys? I think I seem to misplace my list. Wait, hold on. Yep, I think I dropped it. I think I dropped my list. Well, at least I know where we're going now. Oh, no, wait, I got it right here. So, this is Washington Street, northbound, phase 2, part 2. Next street will be Cedar Street. Again, this is only 4 blocks, guys. 4 blocks. This is heading northbound. Coming up at Washington Street, Rector Street, heading northbound. Check it out, guys. There is the behemoth, or big behemoth. St. George Bar. St. George Bar and Metal Church. Check it out, guys. Let me see it from here, guys. Yes, so you can see it. Go ahead. See, all this, it's like a church. It is a church. And you see they got the well, now they turn it into a pub. Again, things change, guys. Even metal churches. And we keep going, guys. We keep going. Again, let me show you. Check out the crane up there, guys. That's the crane up there. God knows how many floors that thing is. So, we keep moving this side. Coming up at Washington Street, Linda Carlisle Street. Heading northbound. And again, check out the crane up there, guys. I do not trust those cranes. Dangerous, really dangerous. That's terrifying. Skinos. Oh man, I'm telling you. Every time I come out, dude. And there is Bill's Bar and Burger. Burger. Homer Simpson. Okay, guys, so coming up at Washington Street, Albany Street. Next and last stop, Washington Street, Cedar Street. Before we head on to the third phase of part 2. And again, these are mini-me buildings for mini-me's. You see? This is how small they are. So these are mini-me buildings for mini-me's. See, all of this. Okay guys, so we're gonna finish the video by the corner, because once we go through the curb at the middle, this will stop being Washington Street, and that turns to Cedar Street. So we're gonna stop the video right here in the middle. So all this, you see where the line is? This is Washington Street going back there, and this is Cedar Street heading back there. So we're gonna stop the video right here in the middle. Check it out. You see the middle? This is the dead line. And this is where we are. And guy, I will see you at the next one. Bye.